traders. What I want to do with this video is show you how to trade a live account. You can see I've entered short here on the Aussie yen using our TradingView indicators and trade alerts. So here's the trade alert Aussie yen. You can see here both on the 3 and the 5 minute chart. What we're looking for are these red dots giving us indication that there's a stop run. We can see this as well on the 5 minute chart. Here they are, and we have these bearish divergence lines also showing on the charts. So this is quite a good signal, especially when we see these red bars under. This is our multi-time frame indicator telling us that the higher time frames are bearish. So we disregard these green dots. We're looking for the red dots indicating a stop run, especially trading into the Asian session open here. So we're looking at this balance area and we want to see a breakout of the balance area. We've got on the 5 minute chart we can see this imbalance. So we break out of the balance area and we have this thin candle. And there's also another imbalance under here that was resolved, traded back into it. Now that's actually an ideal entry point right here, although you can be a little bit more aggressive and enter on the pullback after this dot, but you want to see a bit of a breakout first, break out of the range and then a pullback. Now we have this move here, and that will give us a couple of entry points above here that you can decide to move on if you want to. Okay, I always mark up these imbalances, as they will definitely be a target for when price retraces. If you had taken this trade on this first pullback with your stop loss above the high, we're already at a 6-to-1 risk reward here. And if you're trading, let's say you allow a maximum of 2% exposure on your account, well, you can allocate 1% risk per trade and take 2 trades if you like at any given time. So this could be 1% of your account at risk here. This is a very nice outcome depending on the size of your account, of course. 6-to-1 risk reward already we've reached. The most important thing is managing risk and keeping your position size consistent. I mean, I've made videos on that. If you go through my YouTube channel, search for risk, you'll see a couple of videos in there. So, I mean, that more or less wraps it up. And as always, thorough backtesting recommended, and test it out on a demo account until you are 100% confident. Have a great day.